Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathForKids number 196.
This is number 196. Hey, we're getting pretty close to 200, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. All right, so this week we're going to do some review about powers, and then next week we'll do some problems involving powers. So today we'll just do just a few power ideas, right?
Yeah.
So power review. Ready? Power review. Number one. Okay, so what does it mean when we say we look at a power of a number? Let's say we look at 4 to the third. Can you write down what that means, please?
It means 4 times 4 times 4.
Okay, so 4 to the third power means 4 times 4 times 4. And what is that?
It's 16 times 4, which it's 16 times 4, which is 64.
Right, so that's 64. Okay, great. How about 2 to the fifth? What does that mean?
It means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Okay, great. And what is that?
This is 32.
32. Okay. So we take a number to a power when the integer to an integer power just means multiply itself. 4 fours get multiplied. Sorry, 3 fours get multiplied together. 4 times 4 times 4. This means 5 twos get multiplied together. Does this mean 2 times 5?
No.
Does this mean 4 times 3?
No.
No. It means 3 fours get multiplied together, and this means 5 twos get multiplied together. And then there's interesting properties of powers. Let's say 2 to the fifth times 2 to the fourth, and we want to write this as a power of 2. Okay? How many 2's do we have here multiplied together?
5 2's.
And then we add on how many more 2's?
4 2's.
So we would have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 to the
5th.
times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 to the...
It's to the 4th.
Okay? So what does this equal? How many 2's do we have multiplied together?
9.
9. 2 to the 9th. And that gives us a pretty good hint as to what multiplying powers of the same number do. What does it do when you multiply powers of the same number?
The powers add.
The powers add. Okay? So, for example, I don't know what either one of these numbers is. 13 to the 7th times 13 to the 9th. I don't know what 13 to the 7th is. I don't know what 13 to the 9th is, but I do know that 13 to the 7th times 13 to the 9th is what?
It's 13 to the 16th.
Is 13 to the 16th power.
Which is a really big number.
That's going to be a really big number. Now the last little quick power review thing I'm going to do is what if I have 2 cubed to the 4th power? 2 cubed to the 4th power. What does this mean?
It means 2 times 2 times 2 to the 4th.
It means 2 times 2 times 2 to the 4th. And what does that mean?
It means 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 4th. No.
Well, it does actually mean that, but we haven't really talked about that. It means 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 2 cubed, back up a little, times 2 cubed. Okay, why does 2 cubed to the 4th power mean that?
Because it's 2 cubed multiplied together 4 times.
Okay, well, yeah, it's 4 copies of 2 cubed.
Yeah.
And you multiply them together. Okay? So how many 2's do I have here?
3 2's.
How many 2's do I have here?
3.
How many 2's do I have here?
3.
How many 2's do I have here?
3.
So how many 2's do I have together all together?
You have 12 2's together.
So this is 2 to the 12th, because when I count up all the 2's, I have 12 2's. So this leads us to another conclusion, that a power to another power, what do you do?
You multiply those
You multiply.
together.
So we'll talk about all this a little more this week. This is just kind of quick review, and then we'll do a little bit more review this week. Okay. Double high five. Good job. Boom, 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 boom. Good job today. That's power review number 1.